And I've done that flower again that I did before when I coloured it. This one I've done the pink, but I've put the pink deep into the flower itself. And now I'm going to use a blue one to edge it. Now this may not work, so I've chosen this one, Cosmic Shimmer Mist. And we'll just see what happens. Let that bleed. When it soaks in, it's called bleeding. And don't forget, like I say, I've put the pink on. And I've just dipped the brush once. Well, twice. Just in the colour to see what happens. Now, I'm just picking that up. Try and make sure I've got all the edges done in blue. And then what I have to do is to fold it up in my hands like I did before. And what that does is it kind of like blends it all together. So I'm going to get coated here. So you just do that. And you're mixing it together so they're both blending at the same time. Now what I can do is just put that on there like that, because I want all the edges done as much as possible, and then we're just going to squeeze that. Oh, see what happens. Oh yes, definitely. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh yeah. Wow. Blends the two colours together really well. I'm pleased as punch with that, you know. At the end of the day, oops, get that bit out. It was a little bit too tall there. Love the two-tone colour. I might just put a little bit more pink in. Let me just give this a good shake. This was another one I made myself a while ago. Well, years ago. When I first started on YouTube, I made my own and sold them. I know, I'm not doing it now. I could do, but I've no time. Just no time for anything. I'm just plastering the pink on. See, I want it a little bit darker if I can. It is mixing the blue though. Let me just see if I can. I don't want to knock the bottle over. I know what I'm like. I spill things dead easily. So we just squeeze that together, and you like blending the two colours. See how it just bounces? Oh yes, definitely. No, love it. Just have a go. And it's white lining. We will have it in the shop. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye for now.